How to add an NGL link to a Facebook story. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add an NGL link to a Facebook story. First of all, open up the NGL app in your phone. When you get into its app, click to copy link of your NGL link. After copying the link from here, head to your Facebook account. After opening the app, you need to tap on Create Story from the home page. Now, choose the text format for your story. Then, you select the format of your story. You need to type anything you want to post in your story. And now, simply tap to paste the NGL link in here. After pasting the link, adjust it on your story. So once you're satisfied, tap to share it. Now, wait for your story to be uploaded. Once the story is uploaded, tap to view it. Then your NGL link will be usable. Simply just tap on it and use it. Also, check out our video on how to delete Facebook account permanently without password. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.